Hey everyone, today I'm going to be packing for my first trip to Southeast Asia. With less than 48 hours to go, we should probably get started. We will be traveling to Vietnam, Cambodia, and Thailand with a travel group called G Adventures, and I'll go ahead and show you a picture. So this is the one we're going to be doing, and they have tours that go everywhere in the world, and basically all you have to do is just show up. So this is our first time doing that, and we're super excited. So be sure to follow along and subscribe to see how it goes. Now let's get to packing. So first thing I want to talk about is clothes and what clothes I'm bringing. So with Southeast Asia, I read that it's pretty important to make sure you cover your shoulders as well as above the kneecaps. And so you'll be seeing that with what I'm bringing today. Also with the humidity in Southeast Asia, I'm trying to pack more cotton, light fabrics, and also flowy skirts and flowy pants. So I'll show you what I'm bringing. Here are all of the shirts I'm bringing. I have 5 short sleeve shirts and 2 long sleeves. So as you can tell, I'm kind of trying to stay within neutral colors because this is a lot easier when you're backpacking and you only have a few shirts you can bring. So these will go with any pants that I'm bringing or any skirts. So this is a really good idea to do if you can only have a few items in your bag. Try to stick with neutrals. For tank tops, I am bringing 5 tank tops, and again on theme, basically all neutrals, just black and whites, so I can wear them with any pants, skirts, or shorts that I'm bringing. Okay, here are the pants I'm bringing. I'm only bringing 4 pairs of pants. These pants, which are like UV, sun protection pants. Also, they're kind of like hiking pants, I guess. They're super nice. I just got them, so hopefully those will work well. So I have those. Again, just black pants I can wear with anything. And then, of course, leggings because they're comfortable and I wear them all the time. So leggings, and then like I was saying, 2 pairs of these linen pants. This pair is neutral, so I can wear this with any top, and I decided to get a little crazy and add a little bit of color again because I'm gonna be mostly wearing neutrals on the trip. So these are super, super light pants, and you can wear them, and with the humidity and everything, they should be really comfortable. If you're planning on a trip to Southeast Asia, I would definitely plan on bringing some loose linen pants. Okay, next up we have shorts. So this is actually more of like a skirt type deal. So there's shorts and then it kind of looks like a skirt. I have 5 shorts. So again, they're mostly black. I have this blue pair of shorts I can wear to add a little bit of color into my wardrobe. But again, mostly I'm just trying to stick with neutral colors. And I do have a pair of biker shorts, but I think mostly I'm just gonna be wearing these under my skirts because I got some thick thighs and chafe. So that is my saving grace. And again, just some marmot gray shorts. Here are my 5 shorts I'm bringing, so let's go ahead and pack those up. I'm bringing 1 dress, it's just a gray dress, and a white skirt. So with this dress, I'm planning on bringing a scarf so I can cover my shoulders when we go into the temples. And this white skirt, of course, will go with anything, any of the shirts I'm bringing. So again, super loose, breathable, so I think this will be the perfect option for Southeast Asia. In here, I packed my underwear, my bras, and my socks. So I have 6 pairs of underwear, 6 pairs of socks, and 3 bras. I'm only packing this much because we're trying to pack as light as possible. Also, we are gonna be doing laundry while we're there. So probably, yeah, every 6 days. So we can go ahead and clean our clothes and rewear them. Up next are my shoes that I'm bringing. I'm only bringing 2 pairs because I do not have a lot of room. And also, these shoes mostly do everything that I need on this trip. I went ahead and waterproofed these shoes. These are the Hoka Transports. I do have a video talking about why this is my favorite travel shoe, so I can go ahead and link that. These are the Teva Hurricanes, and again, I love these sandals. These are probably my favorite sandals, and I do have a video talking about these as well, so I'll go ahead and link that. And these are the two I am bringing. Okay, I forgot to mention this rain jacket that I'm bringing. It's just a North Face rain jacket. It's a little bit big, so I'm hoping I can just stuff it in one of those bags and just take all the air out so it can maybe be a little bit smaller than it is right now. And like I was talking about, I'm bringing a yellow scarf so I can cover my shoulders if I need to. I'm also planning on buying some shawls while I'm there because I've heard they have really cute ones. So I have this for now, but I'm planning on buying a few things while I'm there. All right, on to accessories. So this first one, this is my day bag, and I do have a video detailing why I like this bag and why it's my favorite day bag. So of course, I think it's important to have it because when you're walking in the cities all day, it's good to have a backpack you can put souvenirs in or your rain jacket in case it rains. So definitely need a day bag. I also have this fanny pack. This is just the basic Lululemon one. I got it like years ago. And as you can see, I have definitely used the crap out of this. But I do recommend bringing a fanny pack. I like to have my phone in here and also my passport. So right here, this is also my passport little bag that I like to put it in just to keep it safe. It also has the RFID or whatever thing on it, but I think it's important to have a little thing to put your passport in. And also it has these little pockets in it, and this is usually where I'll keep cash on me too, and my credit cards. So I do highly suggest getting this passport bag. This is the Lewis & Clark one. And these right here you can put on your belt loops if you'd rather have it more hidden. But I usually just put it in here because it fits perfectly. So I recommend bringing a fanny pack as well. These are my Sony headphones, and I always bring these with me on an international flight. They are kind of big, so I'm hoping I can squish these in my backpack, but I love the noise cancellation. And this is just an electronics bag, so I have my chargers in there. I haven't quite packed this up yet. Headphones, I'm also going to be putting my cords and stuff in here. So I have that. One thing I definitely recommend is a laundry bag, and this packs up really small. So you can put your dirty laundry in there instead of mixing it up with your clean clothes. This is another thing I recommend. Here is the brand. I'm pretty sure I got it from the Container Store a few years back. So anyways, recommend this. Another thing that I also recommend is a straightener, a mini straightener. This takes up a lot less room. Also, you can use it with different voltages. So, because I know some straighteners you can't actually use in different countries, but this one you can, and it's tiny. I do have a lot of hair and it works, so definitely recommend this. I got it at Ulta a few years ago, but I know you can still buy it, so recommend that. Glasses, my hat, and this is actually a little sheet set. We just got this on Amazon. Oops. And this is going to be our first time trying it out. We will be going on an overnight train. So I saw people recommend bringing like a little sheet set just in case there's bugs or other things or the sheets aren't clean. So I can link this. I'll link most of this stuff that I use, so you can go ahead and check that out, or if it's something you're interested in. So here are the accessories I am bringing with me. Okay, for toiletries, I am bringing quite a bit of medication. I have aspirin, Tylenol, some things for motion sickness because that's something I'm kind of scared of. Also Pepto. We got some prescription just in case of traveler's diarrhea. Our doctor suggested that we do that just in case. So that's what I have in here for my medicine. Another thing that I read is important is bringing toilet paper. So these are just like little traveler toilet paper things. You can get them at REI, on Amazon. Again, I'll go ahead and link those. So I'm bringing 2 of those. And another thing I'm bringing is a few tampons because I read that they're hard to get there. Mostly they just have sanitary napkins, so pads and stuff. So I am planning on bringing quite a few tampons. Here I have some makeup. It's mostly just tinted sunscreen. I also have another thing of sunscreen in here, some antibiotic cream, lotion, moisturizer, Aquaphor, and toothpaste. So that's what I'm bringing in here. We have limited space for our liquids, so this is all I can bring. It's kind of hard to narrow down, but hopefully this is good, and worst case, we can always buy some stuff while we're there. I'm also bringing a travel razor. If you don't have this, this is awesome. It comes in a little case, so it doesn't get dirty. I definitely suggest getting a travel razor. Of course, deodorant, very important. And like I said, your girl chafes, so this stuff is the best if you chafe. Definitely recommend. Of course, I have toothbrush, and this is just in a little electric toothbrush. We got this while we were in Japan. I love it. It's the Philips one. Definitely recommend. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to follow along on our adventure to Southeast Asia. And thank you for watching.